Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to send Ethereum using Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet application on your phone. On the home screen, find and tap on Ethereum from the list of supported cryptocurrencies. Once in Ethereum section, tap on Send button. Here, input the amount of Ethereum you want to send. You can enter it in Ethereum or it is equivalent to your local currency, depending on your settings. After that, enter the Ethereum wallet address of the person. You can also scan a QR code if available. After that, verify the recipient address, the amount, and any associated transaction fees. Once you are sure the details are correct, tap Confirm to initiate the transaction. If you have set up a passcode or biometric security, you may be prompted to confirm the transaction by entering the passcode or using a fingerprint or Face ID. After confirmation, the Ethereum transaction will be processed. You can view the transaction detail and track its status within the application. Your Ethereum has now been successfully sent using an Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.